Whether you're planning to start a business, whether you're planning to put in money into something for something to work, and you've been asking people for money, you've been begging, you've been asking, you've literally knelt down and nobody has given you their money, this is the video for you, because in this video we'll be creating a solution to that particular problem of people not giving you their money or entrusting you with their funds. Now, there's this saying that experience is the best teacher, but that's not what I'm here to talk about. I've had a lot of experience with people. I've begged people for money. Me right here, I've asked people for money, but nobody has really turned up for me. And over time, this has happened, and I keep asking myself, is it that these people hate me? Is it that these people doesn't have any love at all for me? Because someone who loves you has to do something for you, right? Most of them turned out to be family members, most of them turned out to be friends. And here's what I've uncovered. People are naturally selfish. This brings me to the first one. There is no benefit for them. You've not outlined a benefit for them. You're always talking about what you want to get, what you want to get, what you want to get. Most of the people you are meeting, it only takes one thing for them to get, okay, what am I benefiting from this? Because people are automatically selfish. And for someone to hand over their funds to you, there has to be something triggering. You understand? There has to be something that triggers this move for them to hand over the funds to you. But there's no value. You're always talking about your own problem alone. I need this money to do this. I need this money to do this. But you've not actually outlined what they themselves would benefit handing you their funds, handing over their funds to you in order for you to kickstart either that business, in order for you to buy that particular gadget you want to buy for what you are doing. There is no benefit for them. So you have to add the benefit for them. Let me give, for instance, I need this money to start this business. Now, this is what you stand to get. In every month, I should be able to dispense this particular ROI, return of investment, to you. Now, that's a benefit. The person will now think, okay, there's something coming back from me. There's something about the human brain. The person will now understand this from a different angle, rather than you talking about all you are looking for alone. Now, if you've done the first part of trying to show them the benefit of what they are getting, and still this person is not turning up, possibly it is through a message and the person is not turning up yet. Now, this could be the problem also. You are speaking to the wrong person. It's possible that that person that you are reaching out to for that funds might not have it at that moment, but the person there's something about some people, they will not tell you that they don't have. They will just like to waste your time. I don't have, I don't have, but they will not tell you. So it's possible that you are talking with the wrong person who doesn't have that funds available. That's number one. Number two, that makes it valid that you are speaking with the wrong person, is that this person is not willing to help at all. This person doesn't have that even if you've outlined the benefits to the person, but the person is not willing at all to help you, possibly from past experience, how people have hurt, or possibly from any experience at all, or naturally the person doesn't want to help. This could be the second reason. So you have to know this reason in order not to stress or waste your time in asking the person. It could be that you're speaking with the wrong person. Watching this video to this point means that this video has been a valuable video to you, and I encourage you to subscribe right now. I'll be giving you 3 seconds to do that. Let's move on in 3, 2, 1. The subscription button is right there, either here or here. So just click the subscription and we'll move on with that. Now, on to the next one is that you have to create a base first. You have to create a base. There has to be a foundation where this person will be like, okay, even if this happens, at least I know this person is trying. You can't just come out of a blue moon and tell the person, I need money for this. And there's nothing you've done. Like, there's nothing you've literally done. There's no example. There's nothing to show that, okay, I've been trying, or maybe I've had experience trying this kind of a thing. I've had experience venturing this kind of business, or maybe I've tried this thing before. Or it can also be that, okay, I've started with something. This is what I've viewed so far, but I need money to finish up to this. There's no base, and you are coming up from out of the blue moon for someone to have, so for some people, especially investors, to hand you over their funds. That money may not come to you. You have to create a base. There has to be a base where people will now be like, okay, I'm glad that I can entrust this money to this person, and this person can utilize it well. This money is not going to waste, even though the benefit is still there. I hope this video was a very valuable. Okay. I know that. What am I doing? I hope this video was very helpful to you, and I encourage you to try these 3 steps that I've outlined to you. When you try them out, believe me when I tell you that it's possible that it will work. It's possible that those investors will be interested in what you need from them. Number 1 is outline the benefit, what they stand to gain. Outline the benefit. Secondly is that it could be possible that you are speaking to the wrong person. it's possible that you're speaking to the wrong person. Thirdly is you have to create a base. Now, in additions to that, I want to encourage you, even if it turns out that people did not come through for you, possibly investors do not come through for you, people have not given you that money. Now, this is the next thing for you to do. I want you to try what you can. Try what you can and make it work. If it's possible, try as much as possible to make that thing happen, make that business survive. Now, when you do that, this is what happens. People will now they will not be the ones to run to you. Investors will not be the ones interested in what you are building, right? Check out in history people that have built things over time. At the starting point, people claim they don't have any interest in what they're doing. But at the long run, when that thing turns out to be having a head, when that thing turns out to be beneficial, investors are running, people are coming with their money to put in to see. So I encourage you to keep doing, keep pushing, keep making sure that that thing works out. It works, it has to work. Because if it works, you get more leverage. My name is Anosike Prince and I share valuable content that never leaves you behind. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.